Okay, we are going to discuss about the command that enable us to copy files and folders, and that is the cp command. The cp command enable us to copy files or directories. Okay, so the command is cp. With this command you can copy files and folders. Let me get the help dash help. I press enter. This is the help for this command. Okay, you can see the cp command is used to copy source to destination or multiple sources to directory. Okay, so you can also see some of the flags that you can use, and the most commonly used one is the first and also the -r. Okay, so -r, let's check -r here. This is it here, -r. Can also use this or this, which means recursive, recursive. It copy directory recursively. Okay, if you are copying directory, you must include -r. Okay, if you are copying files, it is optional, but once you are copying directories, you must include -r. That means you are copying directory recursively. All right, so let's see the practice, guys. Let's practice so that you understand it better. Let me clear the screen. All right, if I do ls here, so that you will see the folders I have here. Since we are working with the directories, I have folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, folder 4, and also the test folder. All of them, you can see it here. cp, that is copy. I put -r. So I want to copy folder 1 to my desktop. Okay, I am in the CMD tutorial, guys, but I want to copy folder 1 to my desktop. So what I will do here is folder 1 like this, followed by the destination where I want to copy it to. So I want to copy it to my desktop. So // means put it on the desktop. Okay, because I'm already in the CMD tutorial, I'm going up one level to put the copied file or folder. Okay, if I press enter now, you can see if I do ls, the folder 1 is still there. Okay, if I do ls into my desktop, you can see I'm going to see folder 1 here. This is it here, folder 1. It has already copied into the desktop. Let me clear the screen. Let me do ls. Okay, let me copy the test folder into the folder 1. Let's see what we have. So if I do ls the test folder, you can see I have test 1 inside it. So it is a nested folder. I can copy the test folder like this. Copy test folder. Copy it into folder 1. Okay, but I need to put -r. Okay, so in this case, the order of this recursion doesn't matter, guys. So you can see I'm putting it at the end. Okay, but with the mostly the best practice, you can put it after the copy. After the copy, you can put -r like this. The order doesn't matter, but you need to read documentation to see when the order matters. All right, so let me press enter now. So there is no error. It copied the test folder into the folder 1. If I cd into folder 1, then and do ls, you are going to see the test folder inside it, and the test folder is also a nested folder. All the folders and files inside it will be copied. Okay, so that is how to copy a folder or directory, guys.